Hi, I'm Allegra.
And I'm her dad, Jonathan.
And we just made a really cool experiment. We just did a really cool experiment in a science kit that we got. This is the science kit that we had.
Mm-hmm. I'll show them what we got. Okay. So we found the science kit at a store, and it showed us how to make what? What did we make today?
A battery.
So the science kit shows us how to make a battery out of, what do we use to make? Yep.
Vinegar, thick paper.
Yep.
Used cardboard.
Yep.
You need pennies from before 1980.
Yeah. Why is that important? Do you remember?
No.
If the pennies are older than 1980, then they'll be made out of solid copper. If they're made out after 1980, they won't be solid copper. They're only copper plated over tin.
And so you need pennies, and you also need metal zinc washers.
Mm-hmm. And here is our battery. Let's show them our battery.
Okay.
So, we made a battery.
This is our battery.
Yeah. So here's our battery right here. And
these are the 3 parts that it's made out of. These are actually the only 3 different things it's made out of. It's made out of nothing else.
So, what's the first one?
We have a copper penny from before 1980. We have a zinc washer.
Mm-hmm.
And we also have some cardboard.
Now, what do we do to the cardboard?
We soak it very thoroughly in vinegar water with a tablespoon of salt in it. It would soak into the cardboard better. So that was kind of cooked.
Okay. And then what do we do after the cardboard was all soaked?
You stack them up.
Like that?
First you put down a
washer.
Zinc washer. Then you put down a piece of heavy paper.
Or cardboard, doesn't matter.
Or cardboard.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever kind of heavy paper works for you.
That's soaked in vinegar and salt.
Yeah. And then you put down the penny.
Yep.
And you keep on doing that. We did it for 12.
That's a penny. Then we put down a zinc washer.
Then we put down the cardboard.
Right.
And then we put down the penny.
Right.
So there's our battery.
And then we're going to clamp this down.
Watch your fingies.
I will watch it. On the ends. And the wires need to go. They have to go right at the end. And right there. Now try it. Go ahead and clamp that down. Great.
There. Now here we have a small screw.
What kind of metal? I think the metal's important.
Yeah, the metal is important. First we tried this with paper clips, but they weren't the right kind of metal, so the magnet didn't pick them up.
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna take our battery with our oil.
Gonna touch it to the end, and if you do it very slowly and carefully,
It makes enough electricity to pick it up.
And actually stand it on its other end. Ta-da!
So what did we learn today?
We learned about magnets, and we learned about batteries and electricity and metals, and how different kinds of metals have different properties.